You know, a lot of times I get people out here making comments, and people I talk to offline about my online. And it always seems to be pretty close to the same questions, if you will. Like, is it hard to start? No. Piece of cake. You can do it for as low as $1 a day. And don't go above 100 a month if you're just starting out. I bet you gotta be pretty techie though. No, your way around that kind of stuff. No, you don't need to do that either. Because if you happen to join with me, I have a step-by-step program that I'll give you for free, that it's videos that you'll watch, and after each video, you do exactly what they did in the video. As you learn it, you do it. Not complicated, repetitious if nothing else. How many hours am I gonna have to put into this? Well, you're not gonna have to put in hours. You wanna put in hours because you wanna get rid of that 9 to 5. But that being said, you're probably working what do you say, 8 to maybe 12-hour day? You think what I do is hard? That sucks. Because I'm talking, when you're doing this and you've got it down, depending upon where you're at, it'll be anywhere from an hour workday or 1 to 3 hours workday. And you'll probably, not right off, probably be able to replace that 9 to 5 income within 12 to 18 months. Done. I mean, like blowing it up. You start today. You can start yesterday. Or you can start a week ago. Anytime. But the longer you wait, the more you keep dealing with the 9 to 5. You know? It's kind of nice to have a little side thing going on. It helps you make it through that 9 to 5 day. But I tell you what, why don't you just hit the like, hit the follow, because I got a lot more tips that you're going to want to hear about. And also someplace around here, floating around, if you will, there's going to be a place you can go visit and see some of the things that I'm talking about. Yeah? Okay. Later.